Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. I'm going to do a video reading this time naman po kay Aquarius. So this is going to be April 2019 forecast about finances, love forecast for singles, and love forecast for Aquarius in a relationship. So this is a general reading lang, by the way, so if it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for personal readings, you can send a message on my Facebook page. That'll be Tarot Readings by Kakao. The link is at the uh, it's in the description box. And ano pa ba? I guess that'll be all. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's proceed. So this is for Aquarius financial situation forecast for April 2019. Okay, this card wants to come up. Four of Wands. So, current situation mo about finances has got something to do with the home, family, life. So, let me see. Property, pwede rin. Pabili ng property. So, siguro merong kailangang i-juggle na expenses. Kasi Four of Wands is being clarified by Seven of Pentacles. So, maybe marami ka nang pinasok na diskarte na lalaman mo na kung alin yung nagwo-work, alin yung hindi. And kung nalaman mo na kung ano yung nakakatulong sa pag-establish mo ng home life or not. So, pwede itong yung actual na home. Pero mas malaki possibility na ito yung finances about sa mga tao within the house, within the home. So, maybe budget sa groceries, sa bills, and all that. Tapos, ang advice sa'yo is to go for what you've decided on. So, it has got something to do with Two of Wands reversed. So, maybe may diskarte ka na hindi siguro sang-ayon ng mga family members or hindi ka suportado ng partner mo if you're married, or meron ding something na gusto mong gawin. Maybe it includes travel, or maybe it includes buying a car, buying a vehicle, motor, ganyan. Tapos, may pumipreno sa'yo na wag muna. Pero if yung kasi yung advice, kung ano man tong kailangan mo for the house, na diskarte, alam mo na yung mga hindi pumapatok na diskarte, hindi tumatalab. So maybe there's something na napagdesisyonan mo na maybe I need to travel, maybe I need to buy this or buy that kasi mas makakatulong. Then the advice is do it. Parang you don't need permission pa from anyone. Or maybe you do, pero this time you don't have to rely on their opinion, lalong-lalo na kung hindi naman nila nakikita yung point mo. And if you're going to do just that, ang magiging outcome is Six of Wands, um, Six of Wands reversed. So, this is failure, pero it's being clarified by Seven of Pentacles. So, this is you're going to fail if you're going to allow other people to dictate you. Or, ang Seven of Wands reversed kasi, ano siya yung don't give up card. So, pagbaliktad, hindi, yun nga, Seven of Wands, don't give up card. If it's reversed, yun yung, ano, kailangan mo i-prioritize yung sarili mo. Kasi pag don't give up card na upright, ito yung lahat kakayanin mo. Tutulong ka doon, tutulungan mo rin yung sarili mo. Kung ano man yung makikita mong obstacle sa way, lalagpasan mo. Pag reverse, wala kang dapat tulungan kundi sarili mo. So parang kailangan mo munang unahin yung sarili mo in order to gain victory. And Six of Wands reversed has got something to do with making sure na lahat ng trabaho mo, lahat ng obligations mo, hindi mo ipapasa sa iba para para tawag nito, siguradong magagawa, siguradong matatapos, siguradong maayos ang pagkakagawa at pagkakatapos. So, overall, ang nakikita kong nito is, maybe there's a decision na hindi, it's actually for the family, pero hindi suportado ng someone close to you. Pero this is an indication na you have to decide on your own. And maybe this time you need to decide na hindi base sa opinion ng iba or sa gusto ng iba. Lalong-lalo na kung alam mong kaya mo, alam mong desidido ka, i-commit mo yung sarili mo sa kung ano man to. And alam mong naaral mo na yung pros and cons sa situation. So there. That's for you, Aquarius, and your financial situation. Let's proceed to love forecast for Aquarian singles, please. Aquarian singles for the month of April 2019, please. Okay, one card jumped out. Okay, first card, Ten of Cups reversed. Ito yung yung pagbabalik tanaw dun sa mga deserve mo na hindi mo nakukuha. So, this time, siguro kailangan mo namang siguraduhin na yung effort mo, makukuha mo yung deserve mo. So, in a love forecast, maybe you're investing emotions to a person na walang gusto sa'yo. Or pwedeng you're investing time and effort and emotions to someone na hindi naman binabalik sa'yo yung equal na binigay mo. So, it's either you make sure na malinaw na nanliligaw ka o malinaw na ginagawa mo lahat ng ginagawa mo to express your love to someone. And and if hindi pa klaro yon, you have to make it clear to the person na gano'n ang feelings mo. Kasi baka ang ending nito is hindi mo nakukuha yung attention, yung effort, yung affection na binibigay mo because hindi niya alam na yun pala yun. So, klaruhin mo. And you'll know if yun nga, ganun din ba yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo? Or if not, try to look for someone na mababalik na tong Ten of Cups. Parang ibibigay niya sa'yo yung equal na affection, effort, and time na deserve mo. And the advice card is Queen of Swords upright. So you need to be this kind of queen. So do not just disregard the gender, concentrate on the energy. So nag-record ko ma. So you have to be this Queen of Swords. So you have to be direct, straightforward, and honest. Kung kaya bang ibalik ng taong mahal mo yung affections mo or not. So parang kinlarify niya lang yung Ten of Cups. This is making sure that all the credit is yours, especially if you worked hard for it, and you will be recognized for all of your efforts. Ito naman, klaruhin mo, speak out. Ano ba talaga? Klaro ba sa'yo na nanliligaw ako? Klaro ba sa'yo na in love ako sa'yo? Parang ganun. This is the advice. And if you're going to do just that, be prepared. There may be some merong gain, pero not necessarily uh, as expected. So, pwedeng busted, pwedeng friends lang pala, pwedeng pinasa ka lang. Pero there is a possibility rin na ano, maybe the affection or the same type of emotions is reciprocated, pero yun nga, may 10 of cups reversed eh. So maybe ano siya, hindi siya ganun ka-fair, parang may feeling siya sa iyo pero parang mutual yung feelings niyo, pero yung effort mo is mas malaki pa rin kaysa sa effort niya. So parang be prepared for something na a little disappointing pero may balik naman. So it's either um, mahal ka ng mahal mo pero hindi siya ganun ka-expressive sa love, or busted ka or pinaasa ka lang. So nandiyan lang sa dalawang yan. Anyway, this is a general reading. So let's see sa personal readings mo kung ano yan. By the way, the description is in the link is in the description box below. So you can always send me a private message. Anyway, for Aquarius in a relationship. Dali, di pa ako nagtatanong. For Aquarius in a relationship, any messages please for the month of April 2018. Uy, okay. Let's see. Dami. Malon talaga siya. Hindi ko siya madideny. Okay, first card. Situation ni partner mo, Aquarius, is Seven of Cups. Emotional confusion. Darga, time pa. Mahal ko ba? Hindi. Siya ba? O yun? Parang ganun. Partner ni, this is you, Aquarius. You're on the verge of confronting the partner. Kasi yun nga may confusion eh. Kung mag-asawa kayo, ito yung ano, parang hindi mo alam kung galit ba sa'yo, nagtatampo lang, or may ibang pinuputok ang butse, parang gano'n. So, that's a situation, siya may confusion, ikaw naman papakonfront ka na. But what the two of you are thinking is, kay partner, Knight of Wands, maybe he or she needs to socialize lang. Maybe, for a change, gusto niyang maging surrounded siya ng mga tao in a good mood or maybe in a celebration or a party. So, sa'yo naman Aquarius, Queen of Wands reversed. So, somehow this emotional confusion nakakos sa'yo ng parang lack of confidence. So, maybe, you're being paranoid, baka nafe-feel mo, what if hindi na siya interested sa akin? What if nagfe-fade na yung feeling, so magiging unconfident ka na about this. Now, the third set would be the what you're going to do about this situation. Second set is itong Knight of Wands and Queen of Wands. Ano laman ng isip. Next is kung anong gagawin. So, kay partner is Magician. So, meron siyang gustong i-manifest, maybe on her own or his own. Yung wala ka, yung parang, siguro namimiss niya lang yung single life, yung wala siyang obligations, gusto niya mag-relax. That's what I'm seeing from your partner. And on your part, anong gagawin mo? Hangman reversed. So, maybe, meron ka rin gustong gawin na dati hindi mo nagagawa, then all of a sudden, parang magkakaroon ka ng chance because of your partner's desire to manifest his or her own magic or his or her own plans. So, mutual energy is the moon. So, pareho kayong iniisip kung paano ang pareho kayong ang goal is masettle kung ano man yung turmoil of emotions within. So, maybe this, itong itong desire niya to manifest his or her own goals, or itong iniisip niya gusto niya mag-relax, itong partner mo, maybe this has got something to do with, ano, parang kinikimkim na feelings, or maybe parang kailangan niyang i-soul search muna na hindi ka included. And on your own naman, parang ang overall na message na nagko-connect dito sa the moon is parang nagmumuni-muni ka na rin, nagso-soul searching ka na rin, base dun sa anong gusto niyang gawin. Parang tumatakbo na yung yung kokote mo in different angles. What if ganito na-feel niya? What if ganito natingin niya sa akin? Kasi baliktad na yung Queen of Wands mo wala ka ng confidence So, maybe nalalamig na rin, maybe wala nang excitement. So, yun yung hinahanap ng partner kasi may Knight of Wands siya. So, for the advice, ang dapat i-focus ni partner is Queen of Swords reversed. So, maybe meron siyang nasabing masakit o meron kang nasabing masakit na parang yun yung yun yung nakatanim sa utak niya. So, yun ang kailangan niyang tutukan kasi ang iniisip niya is Three of Wands reversed. So, this, maybe there is something that he or she would like to try again na may kinalaman doon sa sinabi mong masakit. Maybe meron kang sinabing masakit na parang na-realize niya, ay oo, no, baka ganun na ako. So, ano na lang, gagawan ko na lang ng paraan on my own. So, parang ganun yung tema kay partner mo. And what he or she is going to do is for once reversed. So, ito yung aalis muna sa na-establish na, or parang not necessarily i-disregard, more like iiwanan mo na sandali yung na-establish na. Kasi may kailangan pang baguhin, may magician siya So, yun nga, yung parang maybe merong argument within the house na na-realize niya na pwede pa niyang balikan yung dati na situation niya. Baka meron siyang biglang na-realize na gusto niyang itry ulit. In a way, since may Queen of Swords siya, so pwedeng gusto niyang maging single ulit, or pwede niyang isipin na siguro may hindi siya natapos, pag-aaral, business, ganyan, pinasok na investment, tapos napabayaan. So, maybe parang kung ano man tong sinabi mong masakit, Aquarius, or ano man tong sinabi niyang masakit na nagbigay ng turmoil within the house, within the household, or the partnership, meron siyang na-realize na gusto niyang balikan to try again. Kasi try again card tong 3 of Wands. So, parang sakit mo na. Balikan mo kaya yung So far, wala namang third party. 3 of Wands is try again. So, maybe there is someone else from the past. Tapos, Queen of Swords pa siya. So, yun. Let's see sa result. If anong magiging result. Anyway, sa advice naman on your part, kailangan mong i-focus yung dissatisfaction mo within this relationship. Ano bang pinakaayaw mo? Ano ba yung pinagsusumikapan mong makuha pero parang wala pa rin? And what you need to think about it is maybe you need to try again this time kasi baka dati pangit yung timing, tas ngayon okay na. So, yun ang dapat mong tandaan. And what you need to do about it is Temperance reversed. What you need to do about it is balance the pros and cons of the situation, and make sure na bago ka magsimula, bago mo gawin itong Ace of Wands, uh, meron ka ng parang may plan B ka na kung anong mangyayari in case magkakaroon ng ng problem. Yung parang lahat ng anggulo kaya mo na, na-analyze mo na, may plan B ka na, balanse mo na lahat kung anong magiging atake mo sa situation logically and emotionally. So, overall outcome, possible outcome number 1 is Four of Swords. So, this is contemplation. So, maybe um, the both of you will talk, or maybe the two of you are going to think about how to communicate, how to approach the coming, yung papadating na mangyayari. Second card is Three of Cups reversed. So, this is yung siguro yung mga issue nyo, yung mga problems nyo. Usually, dati, binabaliwala lang, relax lang kayo. Three of Cups is celebration, party, relaxation, recreation. So, ngayon, reversed siya. So, ito yung type ng issue sa relationship na hindi kailangang baliwalain, hindi kailangang relax or chill ka lang. Kasi seryoso siya, so kailangan mo siyang tutukan. And third card will be the Seven of Pentacles reversed. Something na hindi nyo pa, there are things na tinry nyo at parang makaklaro na among all of those things na na-try nyo na to fix this issue, ano man to, malalaman nyo na alin dun sa mga discarding yun ang tumatalab at ano yung useless. So, kung ano man yung tumatalab, doon na lang kayo mag-stick. And for some reason, I have 6 more extra cards. So, you also have to acknowledge 8 of Cups. So, maybe there is something na is making you sad about this relationship, but that card, 8 of Cups, is an indication na yes, it will take time to move on from that sadness, pero um, you parang hindi yun yung papatay sa iyo, kumbaga. May matagal na maka-move on pero makaka-move on ka rin. Second card is Two of Cups upright, which is good. So it means na although feeling nyo parang papahiwalay na kayo matatapos na, Two of Cups reversed is a reminder. Two of Cups upright is a reminder na love conquers all. If you'll only make way for each other to understand each other and lower your pride, then Two of Cups will happen. So ito yung nga yung may masakit nga, may rejection, may sadness, pero lilipas din. So you will be able to start again. This is a Ace of Pentacles reversed, pero hindi siya yung ganong kadali kasi meron pang mga bagay sa relationship niyo na hindi ganong kadaling matapos yung problem. So magsisimula uli kayo but on a different angle perhaps, or with a different approach na naninibago kayong dalawa. And King of Swords upright, this is a reminder na if masyadong marami ng conflict emotionally, maybe you need to attack the situation in a logical way. And death reversed is an indication na no, this this situation, no matter how problematic this may be, no, hindi siya mag-e-end. So there, walang hiwalayan. Thank God. So there, that's for you, Aquarius, and your partner. And if you like that video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions po about choose a number tarot readings, video readings, please comment down below. And my My Facebook page link is on the description box na rin if ever you would like to have a personal reading with me. And ano pa ba? I guess that'll be all. And thank you so much for watching.